All right, cool. So now what we want to talk about is our software topic for the week. And we want to give a brief overview on how photo and video generation work, right? So we've had the big news of OpenAI release Sora, its video generation technology. Obviously, you have players like Stable Diffusion and others who are producing videos and image generation. And so this is really cool tech. And how does it work? So basically, the way you can think of this is quite simple. And we've got a nice little video here to kind of show you. But these all run on diffusion models, right? And what you do is when you have a big enough diffusion model, as with AI, you can train it on noise and have it understand, like if that picture was made out of sand and I was able to drop it and all the sand dispersed, you can teach the AI model to understand from the dispersed sand what picture that would actually be. And then from that, it starts to understand what pixels to grab to be able to generate a dog or generate a cat. And so here you're going to kind of see the noising process of training, where you kind of distort an image, and then the denoising process there, right? Of going from noise, which to a human is unreadable, but to a large network trained on millions and millions of these, they are able to then generate that image from that noisy data. And then you basically then also for the videos, you make sure that the pixels make sense as they progress so that you can go image by image and create a video and show some of that. So I think let's jump over and let's just show some of these crazy AI generated videos from Sora. And the quality of these is insane.
I mean, if we
Like,
just also look at the details, like even the very, very small details, I mean, on the jellyfish,
yeah, this one
it's really
is,
crazy.
I mean, this gets me excited for like what's going to happen in gaming and personalized movies and really the world that's going to open up from that, because you're going to be able to say like, hey, I want to watch like Star Wars, but I want like Anakin to like not go bad. I want him to just stay like a badass Jedi and team up with Yoda and like go do this. And you could literally have that generated for you, right? So it's going to be crazy to see how this works. But I mean, also, this is just like, it's just all so fun to look at because it's so unique. Like these would take like a video editor so long to make these crazy edits, and Sora can just generate these based on prompts, right? So yeah, so this is now available in the US to use to make videos. I think you're going to see more and more of this exploding on social media. You're going to see use cases for this. It's going to be really incredible to watch what can happen here. Um, just an incredible time to be into technology and programming and working with these APIs and what you can do. Um, I was researching the other day, like solutions for like preserving loved ones, which is kind of crazy. But like I could have my grandmother like talk to the AI for a while, and then it would like preserve a version of her that I could chat to in the future, which is kind of creepy, but kind of cool. And it's just like one of many crazy applications that we're going to be able to have, right? So yeah, super fun stuff. Do you see any like what jumps out to you about like what's going to change about the world with these, Emmanuel?
Yeah, I don't know. I think, like you mentioned, video production. I mean, I'm just looking at the physics. Like for me, I'm really interested in the details of these. I mean, like just look at the physics, how everything works, the water splash, the waves at the top right. I mean, these
Yeah.
things, I mean, maybe we'll also see, I mean, maybe we'll see movies that release quicker because of companies starting to implement
Right.
artificial
Yeah.
intelligence in their production. I mean, I'm really amazed by the details, like the hair dangling on the women at the side.
Yeah.
Uh, it's crazy. There's like insane amount of detail, and I think that's something that that
I
we'll
mean,
maybe
just like
see
3 years
companies
ago,
use.
we were generating like images of people that were terrible, right? It was like
Exactly, yeah,
they're like missing fingers and like, it's
yeah.
like,
And I think I remember like this is something that I remember as well. I think it was like 2000. I forgot, but it was before 2020. And I remember how it all started out. That we were only able to uh, only able to generate like a small picture of a banana, which was like completely pixelated, and it was like just a
yeah,
24 by 24 uh, like resolution. I mean, it's crazy how far we've come. I mean, we're literally living inside the future, and I think I mean, that's crazy to think about.
yeah, this is really incredible. I mean, this is also incredible because it's so fun with videos, right? Videos are so entertaining. People love to watch Netflix, they love to, game, and this is going to revolutionize all of that to where like the digital experiences we're going to be able to have are going to be incredible. So, really cool to see. And that's just a brief overview for you of the noising denoising process, how that works in a very simple way. Obviously, there's a lot going on at Sora that we probably don't know about as well, and massive amounts of compute, but really awesome to see where that is going.